It's Jax. Hey, before I get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe and check back here for new stuff all the time. Now, lately I've been trying to watch my weight explode. I'm just trying to change my eating habit. And every now and then I need to treat myself or I'll be a true grumpy cat. And I don't like cats. So imagine how grumpy I would be. Wait, for all of you cat lovers, not that I don't like cats. I love kittens. Boy, they're so cute. But I'm a dog person. But I love all animals. So cats have a place in the world, okay? As I was saying, every now and then, you know, a girl needs to treat herself so that she can stay on the straight and narrow. And I love cake. I bake all the cakes for my family, and they love how super moist they turn out. I've baked them from scratch. I've baked them from boxes. Between you and I, the box cakes are pretty good. They actually did a study on box cake versus supermarket cakes versus cakes baked from scratch. It was a blind taste test, and most people picked the box cake. Do you know why? Because it reminds us of home. When your mom cooked you a birthday cake, didn't she get that Duncan Hines box or that Pillsbury batter? Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm in the grocery store just minding my own business, trying to stay healthy, trying to look at the produce, and I found myself in the baking aisle, of course. And what did I see? I saw this. I said. I love trying new things, you know, and I have heard of microwave cakes that you can do in a mug, that you can use, you know, ingredients that you have in the house. But I figured, hey, this might be even faster. And I love coffee cake. You know those Drake's coffee cakes? Anyway, so I figured this might be a fun one to try. I looked at the ingredients. It didn't look like a science project. I could read pretty much every ingredient on there, and the list was pretty small. So I thought, okay, this can't be too bad now, can it? Cake. How can you mess up cake? What I'm gonna do is try it for you. So they come 4 in a box, and you get one of these little packets that makes your mug cake. And it said preferably use a 9 to 12 ounce mug. So I went and I got my favorite mug. It says, I love how we all know that I'm your favorite child. I guess I should give this to my mother, but I love this mug. I'm gonna try and make it in here. So first, open the package. I'm not gonna say that this is something that I would like to do all the time. No, this is for when a chick needs something sweet to get her attitude back in check, you know what I'm saying? Here we go. I'm gonna try it in here now. You just pour the batter in here. You got little lumps and bumps in it. And see, and that's another good reason to use this mug, because you can see through it. Then it says add 3 tablespoons of water. I happen to have right here. Fun fact, these little shot glasses, I mean, come on. Everybody knows what the red Solo cup holds, right? And now they have them in shot form. Fill to the rim. That's 3 tablespoons. Let's add 3 tablespoons. Then it says to stir until your batter is smooth. I'm going to use this. I'm sorry, it just got a little itch. Okay, stir it till smooth. Yeah, like watching paint dry, right? Now, I want to just make sure that I've got all the batter off the sides, you know. Yeah, looks smooth to me. How's it look to you? Can you smell what the Jax is cooking? Not yet, because it's not cooking yet. The instructions now say, to ensure that the cake mix is well blended by running a spoon along the bottom. We did that already, right? I did read the instructions. How's that for preparedness? Next up, microwave on high for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Odd, right? Why not 1:30 or 1 minute? No, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Then it says cool for 2 minutes before eating. Now it also says that you can throw in stuff like, you know, why not throw in your own nuts and make it nice, or add another pinch of cinnamon, but no, we're gonna try it straight from the box and see what we get. Here we go. That didn't fill up too much, now did it? All right. 1 minute, 10 seconds in the microwave. Wish I had a shot.
Shot, 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 shot.
We're gonna start the countdown soon.
Oh, what a girl won't do for some cake, right?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There she goes. Our cake is ready. Okay, here's our cake. Let me see if I can give you a close-up of that. Look at all the nooks and crannies. It smells delightful. It smells like cinnamon. It did say you could actually add some coffee to it. What up? Why should I have to add coffee to a cinnamon coffee cake? Wait, is it cinnamon coffee? Yeah. Please, no, I'm not doing it. I don't know about you, but I eat my cake with a fork. Unless it's ice cream cake. And then I eat it with a fork. And nobody in the room with me. Here's a moment of truth. Let's just dig in there. Look, it looks moist, right? It looks like cake, doesn't it? It looks cake-ish. All right, here we go. It seems to be a little stickier than cake. Let's try. Here's the taste test. Whew. Interesting texture. I think if I wanted gum, I would have gotten some Orbit. Fabulous. Gosh, I really hope you could see this. Look at the texture of it. Is cake supposed to be like that? I don't remember cake sticking to a fork unless you know how you press your fork down to get the last little bits of the cake off the plate? That's the only time it sticks to the fork. One more time before I give my final opinion. You shouldn't have to chew cake. Cake should melt in your mouth, not in your hands. I don't know, guys. I will say the flavor is not bad. I'm sorry, I just saw something white and like, almost like a marshmallow. Wait, that's that. Do you see that? That's chocolate. That was the little thing that I saw on the bottom that looked like marshmallows. I believe it's chocolate. Yeah, they look like chocolate chips. I do taste the cinnamon. I don't taste the coffee. It's not even as good as a cheap Drake cake. I'm gonna go in one more time. I'm doing it. I'm doing it for the tube. Nope. Oh, my goodness. I can swallow a pill easier than I can swallow that stuff. Wait, I'm gonna need some water for this. Okay, my honest opinion, decent flavor. Texture, no bueno. I would pass. Nah, not me, said the Jax. Make your own doggone mug cake. But, like, if you're gonna go through that, just go get a box of cake, make your cake, bake your cake, and share your cake if you don't want to eat all of your cake. Find a recipe you can control all of the ingredients, all of the sugar, all of the sodium. This ain't your mama's cake. If you buy them, that's up to you. I wouldn't recommend it. Sorry, Duncan, Hines. I still love you. Just in the big box, please. All right, that's it. Duncan Hines cinnamon coffee cake. Perfect for one. If you enjoyed this video, comment below. Let me know what you think. This could have been a volcano, like a science project volcano, you know, but it just kind of falls flat. Don't forget, subscribe. Anyway, guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Ciao.